What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. No headlights. I got a comment on the last video that says, Mitch, are you gonna get those silver headlights off that silver car? No, I bought some new ones. So I hope you guys enjoyed that amazing cinematic intro. Beautiful car. It's easy to edit with this car since it's so beautiful. What we're gonna be doing is installing some new headlights. These are Anzo headlights. This must be my fifth or sixth pair that I've installed. We're gonna be installing them on this 2004 Toyota Celica GTS Tsunami Edition, which will soon be forced induction with a turbo. This is how the car has been. The car needs repainted on the front. I will be doing that soon, but I don't want to do that until I put a turbo on this because I get carried away with aesthetic mods. But I do have to have headlights. So I did sell the headlights off the car. I did not like them. I found them unaesthetic in my opinion. I actually own them on my three Celicas ago, but I wanted to go back to my Anzo headlights. So these are the Anzo headlights. I already have them open. I think these are the best aftermarket ones that you can get. I actually one time had the OEM HIDs. And I traded them for these ones because I think that these are much better because they are all black. It is the most black headlight you can get for the Toyota Celica, and so I think they're the best. So what I'm gonna do now is show you guys how to install these. Very simple. I already had mine removed. 3 major tabs to get them removed, but very simple. Let's go ahead and pop this hood open. Okay, once you had your hood open, to remove the original one, there's going to be a tab here. It should be a 10mm right there. There's going to be a tab underneath down into here, and it should be a 10mm. And then there will be one on the side that you're going to have to access that goes into this right there. Once you get those 3s off, you can unhook the bulbs, which is just lefty-loosey, out of the headlight, and then the headlight should release. What I would recommend is undoing the bumper 10mm here, and then also undoing this bumper and pop this out like that with the 10mm right there, so that you have a little bit of extra leverage to set the light in. It makes it a lot easier. 10mm all around. I think that's all it is, 10mm. I'm almost positive. I've put like freaking 15 different headlights on Celicas in my lifetime. Probably more, probably 20. So I've had them all. I've had pretty much everyone you can have except for like authentic sports M ones, the ones that are like doesn't even have a lens. I've never gotten my hands on some of those, but I'd love to. What we're gonna do now is grab a new headlight and we're gonna plug it in. One other thing that I highly recommend is wiping down and getting this area clean. I actually, before you guys got on camera, I actually washed my car. This was absolutely filthy and I scrubbed it all down, and this looks all nice and better and clean. I love clean, clean, clean. Besides, majority of this is gonna be ripped out when we turbo this car. So I just wanna start cleaning it as we go. For a while, the front bumper will be off for this car too. But that being said, let's go ahead and grab a headlight. So on these Anzo headlights, this is what they look like, beautiful. On the back side of them, you're gonna have this. You're gonna wanna plug that in so that you can get the LEDs on the side, the 3 LEDs. You're gonna wanna put your turn signal in there. This you're gonna wanna leave on here unless you switch it out for an LED, which we will be doing later. I just don't have them ordered. And then this one, you're gonna wanna pull this cover off so that you can put your bulb inside of there. That looks so dang good. Oh my gosh. So I only have the turn signal plugged in, and then I only have the high beam plugged in. These ones did not come with low beam bulbs, and then when I sold my headlights, I gave those bulbs away. So I need to order some. So I'm gonna be ordering some LEDs soon. And then also, this is usually, you can just plug and play this. This runs into the LEDs. I might have to cut mine or splice mine due to me not having the little piece on this car. So the previous owner had other headlights on here and they just wired them in, or I'm gonna look for the little piece that plugs into these. So I might be doing that. I should have grabbed those off that silver car, but I didn't. So let me go ahead and see, let's see if the high beam works. Yeah, so the high beam will work because it's plugged in, but that's gonna be the only light, and it's not even LED. So we're gonna install these headlights so this car's drivable, but we're gonna come back and visit this in another video. Both lights are on. That looks amazing. So we only have the high beams on. I need to order the low beams, and then I need to I need to order the turn indicators. We'll be doing LEDs, so they're white. They flash white, which will look really good. It does make the blinker turn quicker. I think there's ones that make it no default. I'll look for those ones, but this looks awesome. It was a long day. It got dark quicker than I thought. Usually doesn't get this dark. But I came to my favorite spot. You guys saw this in the intro. I did finish the headlights. Pretty easy install. Not very difficult. The hardest part about this is to make sure that you remove the bumper clips. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to get it in there. If you really want to do a really good job, remove the front bumper, clean around there, and then put the front bumper back on. It's not very hard. I have other videos on my channel of how to install these that are more thorough than this. I just wanted to share you guys, these are the headlights that I went with. I think that these look better than the ones that came with the car. They really do, in my opinion. They are more black, in my opinion. This is all black right here, and that looks good. It looks more modern to me. It looks more exotic to me. Out of all the pairs, this is what looks the best. What I would make if I wanted to, what I might do is I might open it up and I might paint that black, do the high beam, actually leave the high beam, and then do the indicator in black, because the indicator reflects, but it's very silvery and it really takes over the entire lens, in my opinion. There's 3 things of silver in there. I wish it was just one. Honestly, it'd be really, really cool if it was just one bulb and this was in the middle of it and this is a high and low, and then maybe have the LED, 3 LEDs on the side. You guys will see in the future, I will get the little part for the LEDs. I will do an entire LED setup on the front, including the fog lights. We will do LED fog lights as well. And I will smoke the fog lights again. When I smoke the fog lights, it'll make the front bumper look way more aggressive. You guys have seen on my old car. In addition to that, if I remove the Toyota badge, it'll make the car look more aggressive too. So I am going to be removing that. I know that I did that on my last Tsunami and people said you should have left it, but I like it without it. And then I did end up finding a Tsunami hood scoop, so we're going to be getting rid of this. This is for sale. I've had a lot of interest. If you want me to re-clear coat it, I can, or if you just want to buy it and then re-clear coat it yourself. It is in good condition underneath the carbon fiber, but that will be coming off to make the front end look a lot more aggressive. And then of course, where that large section right there, there will be an intercooler, and currently the intercooler is going to be in silver, so you'll be able to see that it is turboed, which I might paint it black. So we'll see. I might get it changed black. I might powder coat it black. I don't know. Comment down below. Do you guys think I should leave the intercooler like aluminum color so that you can see it, so shiny metal, so that you can know that it's turboed? Or should I paint it black, because I really like black, and I really like red. Black and red looks really good. In addition to that, when I also do the roof in black, it'll make the car look a lot more aggressive as well. Because to me right now, the car doesn't look as aggressive as it should. It kind of looks goofy right now, in my opinion. It needs a lot of love. The car obviously needs lowered, and then new wheels. And I won't be doing 18s. These are 18s. I'll be doing 17s, and then I'll be doing a little bit of extra tire on them for when it's turboed, and then I'll be getting them by 8.5s, I think, instead of what they currently are, which I think are 8s. But in width, the car is starting to look way better already from when I got it. I like these headlights. I like the taillights a lot more. I think the taillights look way better, even though I did love those aftermarket ones. I think the red looks a lot better. OEM. We will be debadging the car soon. We'll be putting a TRD badge on the front of the car soon. We'll be putting another TRD part on the car soon. It really definitely needs a TRD fuel door. That'll look really good. And then this is obviously my favorite angle of the car. It looks so freaking fast right there. But late night video. If you guys are liking the Celica content, I'm working hard for you. I'm bringing the Celica content back. It's been a long day, and I got headlights on the car. High beams work, fog lights work, so I can drive around. But blinding everyone. So I gotta get some LEDs. They'll be ordered and they'll be coming on their way. Swing by MITCHDORE.com, grab a microfiber, grab a shift kit. We'll be doing a shift kit soon. Just video after video. The turbo kit is being built, but again, it'll be here in like a month or 2. So we're gonna be doing constant small things. Other than that, make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITCHDORE.com. I'll see you guys in the next video.